Shoemaker Manufacturing's quoting tool allows you to get your best pricing immediately, 24/7. Once you're logged in, you can begin a new quote or add to an existing quote from Price Lookup. Just follow the orange buttons on each screen. Or, once you are logged in, you can start from most product pages by clicking on the Configure this product button. You won't see this button unless you're logged in. Today, we're going to demonstrate starting from the new quote area. Let's walk through it together. After logging in, navigate to the new quote screen. Enter your project name, contractor information, and if the quote will require ordering GRDs within 2 weeks, please mark it as a rush quote. Otherwise, check no and use the calendar to let us know your estimated order date on the calendar. Okay, let's start. Begin by typing a general term like linear or modular and browse the product menu. Then click on the product you want, or type in the series ID like 700 MA, and this will also bring up the selector. Now go through each module to build the product you want. All the product choices you need to make are there. You can't choose something we can't build. It's foolproof. If you need more of the same series, say with different sizes, use this checkbox to stay in the current series and make any changes. A real time saver. When you're finished, click Add to Quote. Be sure to try out the tool icons on the right. We have Edit, Add a line, Reconfigure Product, Duplicate a line, or Delete a line. Once you've completed your quote, click Get Price. Your best price shows up, and the quote is ready to order. You can also still make revisions, print, or share it, along with submittals. Let's click Order now. Add your purchase order number, and you are done. All your quotes are automatically saved and will appear on the quote activity screen. Use the Shoemaker portal to enter quotes, get your best price, the most accurate and up-to-date product information, and know that you can't go wrong. Try it out today.